Hello, traders. Today is Monday, May 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, I still think that this is possibly impulsive down, like a wave A or maybe a wave 1. This is potentially 3 waves up for a B or maybe a wave 2. I think we still could get another wave down for a C, which would look like this, or possibly a wave 3, which would end up looking like that, because we still have to keep in mind that this move up right here could still be a pullback to this whole move down. So that definitely is still a possibility. Now, we need to see proof of this on sort of time frames, don't we? And we definitely need to see the US dollar give us some evidence. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So we definitely did get a little bit of a break of structure right here, right? So only two things can happen now. It's either going to now make a pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level and then continue the higher time frame uptrend, or if this really is the end of a wave C, which would be a B or a 2, like I explained on the daily, then this break of structure would be a brand new impulsive move to the downside. It would potentially still bounce from Fibonacci levels, but it would not break to the upside at a Fibonacci level if it really is a wave 3. So, we're either in an A, B, C pullback to the uptrend that would bounce from a fib level, or we're in a 1, 2, 3 that would not break at a Fibonacci level and it would just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.